Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to type expert in Word. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open the Word document. Go to the Insert tab. Click symbol button on the right of the ribbon. Click More symbol. Change font. Select this font. Then change subset. Select this subset. Find expert symbol. Then select expert symbol and click Insert. You can change the color of this symbol if you want. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.